According to a new study from the University of Washington, there are more obese adults living in the U.S. than any other country in the world. In second place, China. So why is there such a big rise in what some experts call an obesity epidemic? Kate Fisher reports.
40% of the patients at this clinic in Washington, D.C. have a chronic condition caused by obesity, such as diabetes or heart disease. But the staff don't just treat patients here, they dispense advice.
We have groups that go to grocery stores and they do nutrition workshops as people are going to buy their food. So you can learn, should I buy whole milk or skim milk, and why? And you can do that right as you're about to buy milk. And that has shown to be very powerful and a very popular way.
For the first time, researchers have analysed data trends from across the world, looking at 188 countries. Their findings show there are 78 million obese adults living in America today, more than in any other country in the world. China follows at a distant second with 46 million obese adults. When comparing the two countries, 3 times as many American men are either obese or overweight than Chinese men, and 2 times as many American women are overweight or obese than Chinese women. So why this rise globally? The report's author, Professor Ali Mokdad, says it's about lifestyle.
Unfortunately, the way we live right now, we're spending a lot of time on computers, cars, and we're eating more food in the US. As you well know, it's very cheap. You go and buy a lunch, it's enough for a lunch and a dinner.
In the US, First Lady Michelle Obama has made a reduction in childhood obesity one of her key objectives.
Hey everybody, getting active every day helps us all be healthy and feel great.
The report shows the number of obese and overweight children has grown by 47.1% worldwide since 1980.
What we see in China, for example, is a major problem is at the same time you see a rise in obesity, but there are still segments of the population where you have malnutrition. In a country like China, with a lot of resources, you see kids who are eating a lot and becoming obese, and you see kids who don't have enough food to eat. So that's a problem that we see it in many developing countries. There is something wrong when you go to a country, even in the United States, and you see obese children and children who don't have enough to eat.
Here they are trying to make a difference and to heed the warning in this report that obesity is becoming a public health epidemic here in the US. Millions of people have already died as a result of it, and this research indicates that if it's left unaddressed, it could lead to a decline in life expectancy across the world. Kate Fisher, CCTV, Washington.